Understanding musical intervals. Part 2. The other main intervals are the major and minor intervals. A fun fact is that inverting these intervals will flip their interval quality category. Unlike the perfect intervals that stay perfect when you invert them, the major intervals will become minor and the minor intervals will become major. For example, a minor second interval is a half step. You might think of the Jaws theme. The inverse of this minor second is a major seventh. You might think of Take on Me. If you start on F and go down a minor second, you'll end at E. However, if you go back to that same F and, instead, go up a major seventh, you will also end at E, one octave above the E from going down. The intervals, in ascending order, are as follows. The unison or perfect one is the same exact note. The minor second is one half step. The major second is two half steps, or one whole step. The minor third is three half steps, or one whole step and one half step. The major third is four half steps, or two whole steps. The perfect fourth is five half steps, or two whole steps and one half step. The tritone is six half steps, or three whole steps. The perfect fifth is seven half steps, or three whole steps and one half step. The minor sixth is eight half steps, or four whole steps. The major sixth is nine half steps, or four whole steps and one half step. The minor seventh is 10 half steps, or five whole steps. The major seventh is 11 half steps, or five whole steps and one half step. The octave or perfect eight is 12 half steps, or six whole steps, and the same tone or note. But only if you don't want to argue about music theory more than you work on music. Augmented and diminished intervals are important, but not for this video. The main idea is that the augmented interval augments the major or perfect intervals by raising it one half step, and the diminished interval diminishes the minor or perfect intervals by lowering it one half step. What's more major than major? Augmented. What's more minor than minor? Drake. Actually, I mean diminished. Sorry, that's the wrong musical D. Using the tritone as an example, you can take a perfect fifth and make it a diminished fifth by going down one half step. And you can take a perfect fourth and make it an augmented fourth by going up one half step. No matter which you do, the result is six half steps, or three whole steps, which is the tritone interval. The Ionian mode, or major key, only has one per scale. That is the key to making the dominant 5 chord and the diminished 7 chord of any major key. Using C major, you will find it in the B diminished chord, which is BDF. It is the interval between the B and F. However, if you add the G, that is under that B, to this diminished chord, then you will end up with a G dominant chord.